You can make a lot of money online today with CPA marketing utilizing trending topics. And I'm going to walk you through this in a step-by-step guide. So stick on with me as we dive right into this video right now. As you can see, I'm making some cool cash right now with CPA marketing utilizing the URL file locker trick. And I'm going to show you how to just simply leverage that. Now for this, you can actually utilize any CPA marketing platform of your choice. Maybe you could utilize Max Bounty, you could utilize the CPA Lead, the CPA Grip, or any other CPA marketing platform of your choice. All you actually need to do is to sign up for that CPA marketing platform. If I'm utilizing CPA Grip right now, I'm going to click on register, be brought to this page, and you can actually take note that some of the fields right here on this section are actually having a red asterisk sign. Now I can actually focus on all the fields with the red asterisk signs, fill them out appropriately, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out. Once you've done that, click on register and get your account created. Now log into your account right now and come onto the URL file locker page on the CPA Grip. To get to this section, click on the monetization tools. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select the URL file locker option, be brought to this page, create a new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you'll be brought to a page where you just simply need to create your locker. Now I can actually go onto the template section and select the capture template, or you may want to utilize the human verification template. Now I can go back to general, and right here in this general section you actually need to lock a valuable content to individuals. Now since we intend on utilizing trending topics, we need to go onto platform where we can easily see topics that are actually trending right now. And what better platform can we use rather than Google Trends right here? This is a very cool platform you can use to check out what is trending right now, what has trended in the past, and how those trends are actually going. Now you can just simply check out the trending right now. The page is going to load up and you're going to see what is trending right now. You can see as of this specific date, you can see that these are actually what are trending, and they are actually cool matches right here. You can see the amount of searches right here. You can also take note of this one right now, that Manchester United versus Liverpool. This is what is actually trending, and you can see how many searches it actually got. About 200,000 searches. That's a huge amount of search right now, and you can actually leverage that. Now to leverage that right here, you could actually just simply go onto platforms like Google. If you do go into Google, you may want to search for facts about Manchester United versus Liverpool. You're going to actually go on to seeing a lot of articles, because if you keep scrolling down, you can see this article right here is Manchester United versus or Liverpool, which UK club has won the most. You can actually do see this one right here, says Liverpool versus Manchester United, 7 interesting facts you should know. Now if I can actually go on to right clicking on that particular link, copy the link address, I'm just going to go back to my CPA marketing platform, paste in the link right here, and I'm just going to go on to giving this a very cool title. Now if I do name this particular locker Manchester United versus Liverpool, I'm just going to come right here, click on save. My URL file locker right now will be created, and what this actually means is that for people to gain access to that locked content using my affiliate link, which I'm going to get right now, they are actually going to go on to completing an offer first before they can gain access to that locked content. So if they complete an offer, regardless of the country to which they actually do come from or reside in, I'm going to get paid some cool affiliate commission, and they are actually going to gain access to that locked content. Now I can just simply get the link right now to the locker by clicking on get link, and I'm going to copy the link and go on to promoting that link. But before I promote the link, it is quite important that you create a landing page. Now you can use platforms like breezy.io right now. You could also utilize platforms like systemy.io, Google Sites, Webflow, getresponse.com, or any landing page builder site of your choice. There are quite numerous landing page builder sites that you can just simply leverage. So pick out one and leverage that to create a cool and amazing landing page. Now once you've actually created your landing page, guys, you can then go on to any social media platform to promote that. And if you're actually finding it difficult creating a landing page, all you need to do is to check out my channel, OJ Marketing. Click on the search icon and just simply type in landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter right now, it's going to show you some cool videos I created that teaches you how to create simple landing pages. So check out such videos, as they could actually prove very helpful to you in creating cool and amazing landing pages right now. And guys, once you've created a landing page, as landing page helps get you better conversions to your offer, go on to promoting that on social media platforms right now. Another way which you could get trending topics is to head on to platforms like Twitter right now. On Twitter, you can easily check out what is trending right now. You can see what is trending right here: Firmino, Lewandowski, Atleti, Barca, and these are actually football matches. Now if you keep on scrolling through, you can take out much more details of what is trending, and you can utilize what is trending to go on to knowing or getting traffic to your landing pages right now, or your URL file locker, and make some cool cash. Now once you actually do go on to make some cash right now, you just simply go on to clicking on post, and you can actually do go on to writing a simple post. Maybe you could write out a post of, check out this amazing fact about Manchester United versus Liverpool you didn't know about, and post that on this particular platform, and make sure you do use the hashtag Manchester United versus Liverpool, and that will enable you going to getting access to a lot of people, or that particular post will actually get to a lot of people, and you can utilize that to get traffic to your offers. Now you can also go on to searching for that right now in this section. If I do go on to searching for Manchester United right here in this search section, you can actually do see a lot of cool posts about Manchester United right now. Now on this particular section, you can just simply go into the comment section and just simply drop a simple comment. Now in that comment, you can actually do type in something like, check out these facts you didn't know about Manchester United versus Liverpool, and people that are actually coming on to this post will be able to see that particular comment, and you can utilize that to get much more traffic to your CPA offers. And you can just simply go into as many posts as you can and just simply drop a very cool comment right there that can enable you to get a lot of cool traffic and make some cool cash online with CPA marketing. Now if you're looking for other ways to make money online, the first thing which you need to do is to check out the first link in the description of this video. That's going to lead you right now to this amazing course I have for you. Now this course is actually for people interested in making money online with YouTube, as with this course you can make up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month just by setting up a 3-hour YouTube work plan to help you fast track your channel earnings and revenue. Now if you take note right here on this particular page that the course is being sold for $49, and this will actually expire on the 1st of April 2024, after which you're going to be purchasing the course for a sum of $199. So why not just simply purchase the course right now and save just $150 today? If you want to purchase the course, click on buy now and register to the course to start learning from the course in just 2 minutes time. Now you can actually scroll through the page and see much more details about the course, the earning potential, some payment proof, and a lot more other cool and amazing details about this course right here. So don't miss out on this opportunity because it is quite amazing. You could also check out my channel OJ Marketing, because I regularly create videos on ways to make money online, and you can check out the content on my channel as they could actually help you right there. And guys, if you do like such content, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.